Make a great choice today with the 2024 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, active grille shutters, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.